Nourishing your bump. Top 10 essential facts about pregnancy food. Hi moms. Here are 10 essential facts about pregnancy foods that can help ensure a healthy pregnancy for both you and your baby. Folate-Rich Foods. Fact: folate or folic acid is crucial during pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects. Foods rich in folate include leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. Iron intake. Fact: pregnant women need about twice the amount of iron to support increased blood volume. Include iron-rich foods like lean meats, spinach, and lentils in your diet. Protein power. Fact: protein supports the growth of fetal tissue, including the brain. Good sources include eggs, poultry, fish, beans, and nuts. Calcium for bones. Fact: calcium is essential for developing your baby's bones and teeth. Dairy products, tofu, and green leafy vegetables are excellent sources. Hydration matters. Fact: staying hydrated is crucial during pregnancy. Water, herbal teas, and fresh juices can help maintain your fluid balance. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fact: omega-3s are vital for your baby's brain and eye development. Include sources like fatty fish, salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Vitamin D importance. Fact: vitamin D supports bone health and immune function. Sunlight, fortified milk, and fatty fish are good sources. Avoid certain foods. Fact: certain foods should be avoided during pregnancy, such as raw fish, unpasteurized dairy, and undercooked meats, to reduce the risk of infections. Fiber-rich diet. Fact: constipation is common during pregnancy, and a diet high in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help maintain digestive health. Healthy fats. Fact: healthy fats are important for brain development. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts provide beneficial unsaturated fats. Do you have any specific concerns about your pregnancy? Write us in comments and do not forget to like and subscribe for valuable contents. Visit www.BabynBeauty.com for moms and baby products. Thanks for watching.